G'day legends and welcome back to the channel. Today we're unlocking the secrets to torching fat and building that lean, strong physique you've always wanted. We're diving deep into the best fat-burning exercises out there, and the best part is, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're a seasoned athlete looking to level up, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, grab your water bottle, lace up those shoes, and let's get started. Don't underestimate the power of a good walk, mates. Brisk walking is an excellent low-impact exercise that can torch a surprising amount of calories. The key here is to find a pace that gets your heart rate up but still allows you to hold a conversation. Aim for at least 30 to 60 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week, and you'll be amazed at the results. So put on your walking shoes, find a scenic route, and get moving. Let's crank things up a notch with jump rope. This simple yet effective exercise is a fantastic way to boost your cardiovascular health and incinerate calories. Start with short, 1-minute intervals, and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Don't worry if you're a beginner. Everyone starts somewhere. Focus on finding your rhythm, and remember, even a few minutes of jump rope can make a big difference in your fitness journey. Get ready to feel the burn with bodyweight squats. This classic exercise is a powerhouse for strengthening your lower body and core, all while sending your heart rate soaring. Squats engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, which means you're burning more calories with every rep. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, and remember to maintain proper form throughout the exercise. And don't be afraid to challenge yourself as you get stronger. You can always add weight or increase the number of reps. Remember those jumping jacks from gym class? Well, they're back and better than ever. This full body movement is a fantastic way to boost your metabolism and burn calories. Jumping jacks are simple, effective, and a great way to get your heart pumping. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds and feel free to increase the duration or intensity as you progress. So, crank up the music, find some open space, and let's get those jacks jumping. Hop on the saddle and let's get those legs moving with stationary cycling. This low-impact, beginner-friendly exercise is a fantastic way to torch calories and improve your cardiovascular health. You can burn a whopping 400 to 600 calories per hour, all while strengthening your legs and boosting your endurance. So find your rhythm, crank up the music, and enjoy the ride. Let's shift gears and give those upper bodies some love with push-ups. This classic exercise is a true bodyweight champion, engaging your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Push-ups are fantastic for building lean muscle mass, which in turn helps you burn more calories even at rest. Start with 3 sets of 10 reps, and remember to maintain proper form throughout the exercise. As you get stronger, you can increase the number of reps, sets, or even try different variations to challenge yourself further. Get ready to feel the burn with lunges. This dynamic exercise targets your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, while also improving your balance and coordination. Lunges are a fantastic way to build lower body strength and power, and they're also great for improving your posture. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps per leg and remember to maintain proper form throughout the exercise. Let's dive into the pool and explore the incredible benefits of swimming. This full-body workout is like a calorie-torching torpedo, burning a whopping 500 to 700 calories per hour. Swimming engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, providing a fantastic cardiovascular workout, while also building strength and endurance. Whether you prefer freestyle, breaststroke, or butterfly, find a stroke you enjoy, and make swimming a regular part of your fitness routine. Lace up those shoes and let's hit the pavement with light jogging. This classic cardio exercise is a fantastic way to build stamina, burn fat, and improve your cardiovascular health. Start with short, manageable sessions, such as 20 to 30 minutes, and gradually increase the duration and intensity as you get fitter. So put on your favorite playlist, find a scenic route, and enjoy the fresh air as you jog your way to a healthier, fitter you. Conquer the mountain climbers. Get ready to feel the burn with mountain climbers. This high-intensity exercise is like a full-body blast, engaging your core, shoulders, and legs all at once. Mountain climbers are fantastic for building core strength, improving cardiovascular health, and torching calories. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds, and remember to maintain proper form throughout the exercise. HIIT. Hit hard with high-intensity interval training. Prepare for a serious calorie burn with HIIT, or high-intensity interval training. This powerful workout method involves alternating between short bursts of intense exercise and brief recovery periods. HIIT is incredibly effective for boosting your metabolism, torching fat, and improving your cardiovascular fitness. You can apply the HIIT principle to various exercises, making it a versatile and challenging workout option for all fitness levels. Unleash your inner speedster with sprinting. Get ready to ignite your metabolism with sprinting. This explosive exercise engages your entire body, sending your heart rate soaring and torching calories long after your workout is finished. Sprinting is a fantastic way to build lower body power, improve your cardiovascular health, and break through fitness plateaus. Remember to warm up properly before sprinting and cool down afterward to prevent injuries. Ready to take your squats to the next level? Adding weights to this classic exercise is a surefire way to build serious lower body strength and accelerate your fat-burning potential. Weighted squats engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them a highly effective compound exercise. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps, using a weight that challenges you without compromising your form. Prepare to unleash your inner strength with deadlifts. This powerhouse exercise engages multiple muscle groups, including your back, legs, core, and grip, making it one of the most effective compound movements for building overall strength and boosting your metabolism. Deadlifts are fantastic for improving your posture, building a strong back, and increasing your overall power. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 10 reps, using a weight that challenges you without compromising your form. Get ready for the ultimate full-body blast with burpees. This high-intensity exercise combines squats, push-ups, and explosive jumps into one dynamic movement that will test your limits and torch calories like no other. Burpees are fantastic for building cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, and improving your overall fitness. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, and remember to maintain proper form throughout the exercise. Prepare to unleash your inner power with kettlebell swings. This explosive exercise targets your posterior chain, including your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, while also providing a fantastic cardiovascular workout. Kettlebell swings are highly effective for building explosive power, improving your posture, and burning calories. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps, using a weight that challenges you without compromising your form. Hop on the rowing machine and prepare to engage your upper and lower body in one powerful movement. Rowing is a fantastic full-body exercise that targets your back, legs, core, and arms, making it a highly effective calorie-torching workout. Rowing is excellent for building cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, and improving your posture. Aim for 30 to 60 minutes of rowing at a moderate intensity, focusing on maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Ditch the elevator and embrace the stair climber. This simple yet effective exercise is a fantastic way to strengthen your lower body, improve your cardiovascular health, and burn calories. Stair climbing engages multiple muscle groups in your legs, including your glutes, quads, and calves, making it a highly effective lower body workout. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of stair climbing at a moderate intensity, focusing on maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Remember to keep your core engaged, back straight, and avoid leaning too far forward. Get ready to unleash your inner fighter with boxing or kickboxing. These high-energy workouts are fantastic for improving your cardiovascular endurance, building upper body strength, and torching calories. Boxing and kickboxing engage your core, arms, and legs, providing a full-body workout that challenges both your physical and mental limits. Whether you prefer punching a heavy bag, sparring with a partner, or taking a group fitness class, find a format you enjoy and let loose. Get ready for a full-body blast with battle ropes. This high-intensity exercise targets your upper body, core, and cardiovascular system, making it a highly effective calorie-torching workout. Battle ropes challenge your muscular endurance, coordination, and power. Aim for 30 to 45 seconds of intense rope work, focusing on maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Remember to keep your core engaged, back straight, and use your arms and shoulders to generate the wave-like motion in the ropes. There you have it, legends. A comprehensive guide to the best fat-burning exercises for all fitness levels. Remember, the key to effective fat loss is consistency and a balanced approach to exercise and diet. Find activities you enjoy, challenge yourself, and make fitness a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Until next time, stay legendary.